To see who viewed your profile on TikTok. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. So like I said, in this video I'll show you how you can see who viewed your profile, your videos, and how many views you have to your profile. So first of all, you have to go to your TikTok app, and then from here you have to go to your profile. I am already on my profile, as you can see. And then here at the top right corner, you will see an eye icon. So click on that. And if you don't have it, I will show you how you can fix this problem. But first, let me show you, if you have that option, what you have to do. And afterwards, if you don't have it, I will tell you what you have to do. So click on the eye from the right top corner. And here TikTok says that other people can see that you viewed their profile in the past 30 days, and only you can see who viewed your profile. And another thing is that only viewers who turned on profile views and viewed your profile in the past 30 days will be shown. And you can turn this off at any time. So if you want to know who viewed your profile, you just have to turn this on. But you'll need to have in mind that other people can see too that you have viewed their profile. And if you don't want them to see that, you can just go to tiktok.com, to the site on Chrome, let's say. And from there you just have to search for the person's profile, and there you will not be logged in, so they cannot see that you viewed their profile. So this is a way to see who viewed your profile and others cannot. So just click on turn on. And if you don't want this to be turned on, you have to click on the right top corner on this settings icon, and you can turn this off, just like this. So guys, now if you do not have this option, then you can go to your Play Store. I have a few options for you. So the first one, click on Play Store. Then click on TikTok, search for TikTok, and make sure to update your app. And another thing to do is going to your settings, your phone settings, then go to apps, and here you have to search for TikTok. Once you are here, you have to scroll down and go to storage. And here you have to clear the data and the cache. And after this, if you are still not able, if you do not have that eye option, then you will have a last method. I have a last solution for you to fix this problem. You have to go once again on your TikTok app, and then from here you have to click on those three lines from the right top corner, and then click to settings and privacy. And here you have to scroll down and go to support at report a problem. And here you have to screenshot your profile that we saw earlier, and make sure to show to the TikTok team that you do not have that eye option, so you can ask them to solve this problem for you. So from here you can scroll down, or you can just click on the icon from the right top corner. Then click again on the right top corner to create a new feedback. Here you have to add your screenshot you took earlier and tell them your problem. You can say, hello TikTok team, I do not have the option to see who viewed my profile, and you can ask them to fix this problem for you. Don't forget to add your email here and your phone number so you can be contacted there. So yeah guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can go ahead and ask them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.